What stupid rule at your work backfired beautifully? I worked for a consulting company that required frequent travel, Monday through Thursday. We had a generous hotel allowance, enough for 5-star accommodations, and a great policy. If you stayed with a friend, you'd receive about a third of the hotel budget as a gift allowance for your host. During a 6-month project in my childhood best friend's city, we struck an ideal deal. I stayed at his place, and in return, I used the allowance to order us dinner. We'd spend evenings drinking beer, watching movies, and playing video games. After submitting my first expense report, HR flagged it, saying the gift allowance wasn't meant for frequent use or personal food expenses. So, I followed the rules. I booked a 5-star hotel, got upgraded to a junior suite thanks to my reward status, and invited my friend over for beer, video games, and room service. When my second expense report showed triple the costs, the project manager called me in. I explained the situation and showed him how much the new rule would cost over 6 months. 2 days later, HR rescinded the policy. As a cherry on top, the company bought my friend a PlayStation 3 as a thank you for hosting me.